Alright. So we got the memory man here with the whatever fancy stuff going on. And I haven't touched it since I last was hypnotized by it. So it's a little, you can see the green light a little behind there. It's going pretty slow. 1, 2, like over a second, I guess, maybe. So I tapped that in, I guess, last time I played it. There's a fair amount of modulation on there. And right now it's 100% wet. Also, I had the feedback pretty much as high as I could get it without it totally oscillating. So, yeah, I'll play it a little bit. It sounded amazing. I'm trying to just play a little bit and then let it do the rest of the work, and you can hear how that fades out. That's super fun. That's just too fun. I guess I couldn't get it back. Let's get some dry signal. Whoops. Okay. Sorry about the volume there. That's cool too.